Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 6th, and this is my pre-market analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do join my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, late in the day on Friday, we definitely did get a nice impulsive up, and we definitely did get a break of structure. That should pretty much prove to me that this whole sensitive trend from here to here is over. So now what I would do is I would put my Fibonacci retracement on the whole 5 waves down. I think there's a good chance this move up is going to be a correction, especially if you start looking at the higher daily time frame. Going up to the daily time frame, I think there's a very good chance we are going to take out these lows and possibly go much, much lower. So I would definitely be looking at this move up as possibly likely to be a correction to the last wave down. I would be recommending longs right now on sort of time frames, but whether it goes up and breaks structure or whether it just makes a correction to this last wave down, we'll have to learn and earn at the same time while we're looking for longs on sort of time frames. So bringing it back down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this first push up should only be a wave A of a correction, which it doesn't even have to be over. It could easily drift up more. Eventually, we should make a pullback to that move up, which would be like a wave B. And then I think there's a good chance we'll push back up for wave C. I think the 78% has a really good chance of possibly being a good area of resistance where we can possibly get a really nice bounce and an end of a correction and the continuation of the downtrend. I don't think I would really go short in any big way unless we had 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level with a nice big engulfing break of structure to the downside. Until that happens, I would recommend longs on these sort of time frames just in case it does decide to go up and break this high right here. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.